Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable Wi-Fi HQ Pics in X. If you want your pictures to have the highest quality when shared, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Look for the account icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it to access your account settings. Step 2. Tap on Settings and Support. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy section, where you can manage various aspects of your X experience. Step 3. Inside the Settings and Privacy menu, find and tap on Accessibility, Language, and Display. This is where you can customize the display settings and accessibility features. Step 4. Now, tap on Data Usage. This section allows you to control how X utilizes data for various purposes. Step 5. Within the data usage settings, locate the option labeled High Quality Images, tap on it, and then select Wi-Fi only. This ensures that X will upload your pictures in high quality, but only when connected to a Wi-Fi network. It helps you conserve mobile data while still enjoying exceptional image quality. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable Wi-Fi HQ Pics in X, giving your shared photos the highest level of visual detail. Thank you for watching, and may your pictures in X shine with outstanding quality.